Well, hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Here is another tutorial on Adobe Illustrator. Maybe you watched our previous tutorial about how we can use this shape builder tool. So if you are following our channel, you are going to experience that how we are going to use this shape builder tool, and it's really useful tool. You can use this to design anything. It helps you a lot, so you are going to experience this tool. And also we have other tools which is really useful even inside Adobe Illustrator. If you open your Adobe Illustrator in the left, you can see this whole toolbar or toolbox which is which has all these tools available. Let me introduce you to this eraser and scissor and also knife tool with Adobe Illustrator. Here I'm going to draw a circle. I'm going to press Alt and Shift on the output and drag this shape over here, and here let me click at the eraser tool. So if I want to erase something, I can press my left right click, not left click. I'm going to press that, and here I can actually erase my shape like this. So let me zoom this so I can show you when you going to erase anything inside the shape. So here you can see it's going to create the anchor points, or I can see this path, I can move it anywhere. So whenever you want to erase anything inside a shape, so it's going to create a path inside that shape. So also let me show you how we can use this eraser tool if we want to erase anything just straight. So if I want to actually make a vertical erase line over here, so if I want to make erase vertically, so I'm going to press Shift. Here when you start erasing, this is going to, you can actually move down because you already press Shift on the keyboard, so it's going straight. So here you can see now this shape is actually erased. So here you can see it's separated. So if I want to actually move this to the other corner, or if I want to move, I can do it because it's erased already. And also here if I want to press Alt, so it's going to actually allow me to make a rectangle erasing. Like if I want to erase this part, so I'm going to press Alt on the keyboard and drag, so it's going to erase this part from this shape. So I think it's not selected, that's why it's, so I need to select my shape first, then I'm going to select this eraser tool and I'm going to drag here. When you actually drag, so here you can see this part is now removed. And also if I want to remove the whole shape here, so I can select this eraser tool and I need to press Alt on the keyboard. Here I can actually make it invisible. So here you can see now it's actually erased. Now it's invisible, you can't see anything. It's not invisible really, but it's actually erased. So here let me go with this scissors tools, how we can use this. You are going to be a tailor with this program as well. So I'm going to actually not really you are going to be a tailor, but you could be a tailor for the here. If I want to actually make a cut in the shape, so I'm going to decrease the stroke, so I'm going to select the scissor. So if I want to actually click here, you can see, please use the scissors tool on a segment or an anchor point, but not on the end point of a path. So we cannot actually, but if we click here, so here it's going to actually here also, let me show you. If I want to, if I use my direct selection tool, so the point that I added with the scissors, so here I can move it around. Like you can see, this is the point that actually I actually cut it from here. So also here you can see I can move this anywhere, but still here you can't see any lines over here. It means that it counts only this plate. So let me show you here. If I click at this portion or at this portion, so here you can see this is going to separate lines from the this here, so I can move this anywhere. Also you can see this little lines. And also if I want to add a stroke to this, here you can see we have no lines over here. So here if I remove this color, if I select none, only the lines available, so it means that it's going to cut here. Let me add here, I can't actually, but if I want to cut or from here, so I couldn't. And if I want to do from here, I can do, but also I can cut from here if I click at this point. So here you can see the color is removed. So this is how we can use. And also here let me show you now, this line is separated, so we click one over here and also one here. So if I select this one, it should be separate. So here you can see I can move it around. So this is how we can use this scissors tool with to be a professional tailor. To be honest, with Adobe Illustrator, it's really useful tool. Sometimes you could use this tool for actually cutting something at the end points, or it's going to be used with the Adobe Illustrator. So okay, let me draw a shape and show you. This is the same knife that is going to be used when you are cutting a cake. So here you can see I use this knife and my shape is now, it is separated. So here if I want to actually make a lines over here, so when you if you want to make a cut over here, you press Alt, and here you can see I can actually start my point from anywhere. I can go straight here, you can see. But if I don't want to press Shift, you can see I can't actually go straight, because it's going to give me a free transform option. Like if I select this shape and without pressing this Alt, so here you can see I can't actually move it around. But if I press the Alt, so here you can see now I move this cutting lines with the knife anywhere on my shape. So I can put it here and I can cut. And also if you want to actually cut straight, so here the same keyboard key is going to use, press Shift, and here you can see this is going to not actually, this is not going to give you, but if you press Alt and Shift, so this is going to give you this option, so that you can cut straight. But if you actually press Alt, you can actually only you're allowed to rotate this cutting knife over the shape. But if you press the Shift with this, so this is going to actually make a straight cut between your shape. So it means by pressing this Alt, it will allow you to rotate the line over the shape, and also pressing all the shape is going to give you allow to make a straight cutting line for your, not exactly a cake, but in shape inside Adobe Illustrator. So hope you guys enjoy and learn something from this tutorial or from this video. And if you have any question regarding this amazing eraser, scissor and knife tool, please let me know in the comment box of this video, so you could help me in promoting the YouTube algorithm that's going to help us in increasing our views in YouTube. So if you want to learn more about Adobe Illustrator and other graphic designing stuff, please follow the channel and also subscribe to the channel. And also, if you want to stay tuned about our video that while when we are uploading to our channel, please press the bell icon and the subscribe button as well. So see you guys until next video.